unboxing Strokes Beauty Lab The Brow Artist Collection. So they released 5 products, and I can say that the price point is very competitive. Each product is below 500 pesos. So this is the Brow Colorist. It comes in 3 shades. It's similar to a brow gel, but I find this very lightweight and I like the wand. It's clump free and you can build it up. This is the Microblade Pen Perfector. I was very excited with this one because it can create the thinnest hair-like stroke. It does depend on the pressure of your hand. You can create bold strokes or thin ones. This one is the Brow Sculptor Duo. It comes in 4 shades. It's a microfine brow pencil. It comes with a spoolie at the other end. I love how thin this is. It's like you can't make a mistake. This is the darkest shade of the Brow Sculptor Duo. And there you have it. It's time to show you how I do it on my eyebrows. So I'll be doing my skincare first. Because of the pandemic, I barely even use makeup. So I'm just putting on a revitalizing foundation that has SPF 50. Also spot concealing blemishes that can't be covered by my mask. Conceal that pimple. Then set it lightly. So I curl my lashes on 3 levels. One is close the lash line, the middle of the lashes, and the ends of the lashes. Make sure to apply thinly. It's time for the eyebrows. Do an upward stroke and then to the side. So I use this to outline and shade in those areas that have less hair. So I want to keep the shading within the hair so that you can make it untraceable. So excited to try this one, the Microblade Pen Perfector. With a steady and light hand, create hair-like strokes. I just wanted to go over again with the brow fixer. I conceal a little bit to lighten the brow bone. And there you have it, natural feathery full brows. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe.